Hello everyone, in this video let us solve this question. So we have minus 9 all raised to the power t is equal to 9, and here we want to solve for the value of t. So t is equal to question mark. Now to do this, solution. So we have in bracket minus 9 all raised to the power t is equal to 9. So we can express minus 9 as in bracket minus 1 times 9, then all raised to the power t is equal to 9. So at this junction, we are going to apply this rule, and rule is this, that if you have I squared is equal to minus 1. So in place of minus 1, we'll bring in I squared. So here becomes in bracket I minus 1 becomes I squared times 9, then all raised to power t is equal to 9. So with this, we are going to apply logarithm to this equation. So logarithm in bracket I squared times 9 all raised to power t is equal to logarithm of 9. So at this junction, applying the rule of logarithm, that if you have logarithm of a raised to power b, this equals b times logarithm of a. Applying this rule right here, power t here becomes t, then times logarithm of in bracket I squared times 9, okay, is equal to logarithm of 9. So with this, okay, we can then apply this rule of logarithm also, that if you have logarithm of in bracket a times b, this equals log a plus log b. So applying this right here, what we then have is this, that t into bracket logarithm of I squared plus log 9 equals logarithm of 9. Okay, so from here to then solve for the value of t, we are going to divide both sides by log I squared plus log 9, okay, all over log I squared plus log 9. So what you're going to have as the value of t is, this cancels this, so t is then equal to logarithm of 9 all over logarithm of I squared plus log 9. Okay, so applying this rule of logarithm, that if you have logarithm of a raised to power b, this equals b times logarithm of a. Applying this rule right here, power 2 then becomes, we have t is equal to logarithm of 9 all over power 2 then becomes 2 times logarithm of I, then plus we have log 9. Okay, so with this we have gotten the value of t to equal this value. Now this is the solution using the first method. So for the second way of solving this, second method, the question is minus 9 all raised to power t is equal to 9. So minus 9 can be written as in bracket minus 1 times 9 all raised to power t is equal to 9. So applying this rule of indices, that if you have in bracket a b all raised to power c, this equals a raised to power c times b raised to power c. Applying this rule right here, then this becomes minus 1 raised to power t times 9 raised to power t is equal to 9. So then we are going to apply this function, and the function is this, that if you have e raised to power I times pi plus 1, this is equal to 0. So from here, move plus 1 over to this side, this becomes e raised to power I times pi is equal to minus 1. Now we can replace minus 1 with e raised to power I times pi. So right here, this then becomes in brackets, then minus 1 becomes e raised to power I times pi, then all raised to power t times we have 9 raised to power t is equal to 9. So then applying this rule of indices, that if you have in brackets a raised to power b all raised to power c, this equals a raised to power b times c. Applying this rule right here, this then becomes, we have it as e, then all raised to power I times pi, then times t times we have 9 raised to power t is equal to 9. At this junction, we are going to introduce the natural logarithm to both sides of the equation. So we have ln in brackets e raised to power I times pi t times 9 raised to power t, okay, is equal to ln 9. So with this, there is a rule of logarithm, okay, that states that if you have logarithm of a times b, this equals logarithm of a then plus logarithm of b. But don't forget that ln is equal to log to base e. So that means that we can apply the property of logarithm to natural logarithm. So applying this rule right here, what we then have is this, that ln, we have e, okay, e raised to power I times pi t, then plus we have ln 9 raised to power t is equal to ln 9. So right here is equal to ln 9, okay. So with this, applying this rule of logarithm, that if you have logarithm of a raised to power b, this equals b times logarithm of a. So applying this rule right here and here also, we have it that I times pi t becomes I pi t times ln e, then plus power t becomes t times ln 9 is equal to ln 9. So from here, ln e, the value of ln e is equal to 1. So this becomes I times pi t, then times 1 plus t times ln 9 is equal to ln 9. So from here, if you multiply I times pi t times 1, the value is equal to I times pi t, then plus we have t times ln 9 is equal to ln 9. So we have a common factor, which is t and t. Factorizing out t, what we have is this. We have t into brackets I times pi plus we have ln 9 is equal to ln 9. So with this, dividing both sides by I times pi plus ln 9. So we have this, we have t into brackets I times pi plus ln 9 is equal to ln 9, right? So dividing through by I times pi plus ln 9 all over I times pi plus ln 9. This cancels this. T is equal to ln 9 over I times pi plus ln 9. So with this, we have gotten the final solution for the value of t, okay, using the second method. Now for the first method, we got this solution, okay, right here. So these two solutions are the correct solution for the value of t. So I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.